No, it doesn't. Be dried. So, yesterday I actually slept on my back at Marshall's because there wasn't a sign that said it was wet, so I slept on my back.
What's on your leg?
Oh,
You have ice cream on your leg.
Shh, sorry. So, we're just vlogging a little bit.
Where are we going away from the room?
I don't know.
Yeah, we just want to like explore.
We want to explore. Well, we've been here a million times, but you know.
Okay, it's more.
Yeah, we're just like. You want to go in there?
Huh?
You want to go in there?
No.
Okay. So there's like just like big. There's some.
They're setting up for an event.
So okay, it turned off. Okay, there you go. They're setting up for a wedding. I think they are.
Probably.
So yeah, just a bit nice grass field. Whee! That was fun. And then over here, is a big sign that says Bacara. Oop, I wish I could zoom in.
I know, I wish.
No, there's a bunch of peoples. There's bushes, very nice bushes. Aren't they very nice bushes?
Lovely bushes.
Yeah. So and there's like this little like pathway. You can go down there to Spa Cafe, and there's a spa.
There's a spa pool.
Yeah, and there's a spa pool and a spa. Oh, there's a light.
Spa and fitness.
You're blocking the light. But
So sorry.
so we're just gonna go down the path. Whee!
No, drop it.
I know, I won't. Oh, I should put this on my hand.
Probably. No, you don't need to because it's not in the pool, right? Come this way.
Well, still. So, yeah, there's like some purple flowers, and there's like these. Yeah. There's cars. Well, golf carts.
Oh yeah, pretty flowers, huh?
Yeah, they're very nice. They're white ones. They're like white roses. Then we have some.
This way.
Yeah, more like that kind of stuff. Oh,
You want to walk down to the pool?
yeah, let's show them the pool. Let's show them the pool. Yeah. Oh.
It's
Whoops.
okay. Sorry, whoops. It's okay.
It's okay. Ooh, look at those pretty flowers up in the trees. This is nice. I don't know if you can see
So
them.
good. I'm gonna check it out.
Yeah, you're good. Okay.
Good.
All right. So we're just going down this big, nice hill. Very
We almost
nice.
got hit by a car.
There's Villa 4 right there. Yeah. Literally. Yeah. So there's Villa 4 here. Let's show them the sign. This is what the signs look like. The signs are beautiful, as you can see. I know. I like to be weird sometimes. Oh,
Okay,
there's.
will you take a picture of me just posing over here? I mean, not a picture.
Like, oh yeah. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Like there's like a bunch of like.
This is shaky. You gotta get over there.
Oh yeah, that's shaky.
Let's hop off.
Oh, turned off again. Yeah, there's like pink roses and like there's like the purple flowers. Okay, let's go now. Oh, there's Villa 6. Let's show you that Villa. Okay, and right. So we have a nice bench. These are like very nice benches.
We stayed in like almost all the villas.
I know. So here's Villa 6.
So many times to count.
Villa 6. Oh, let's just go. Let's go here real quick. This is what I love to do. When we were in Villa 6 one time, I used to always love climbing up this little hill. It's really nice. There's like a nice space up here. There's pretty orange flowers. This is where it's gonna be. It's gonna be very small.
Can I record a little now?
I like recording.
Well, I love recording too, and it's been like 5 minutes, and you recorded for like 4 minutes total.
We're giving them a tour of Bacara.
You look so pretty.
Thank you. You'll be the camera holder. I'll be the shower. Everything.
You can like demonstrate everything, huh?
Oh, take a wish. Take a wish. I wish for a puppy. We're gonna get one this summer.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, it doesn't die again.
You want to explain the puppy story?
Okay, so in January we had news that we were getting a puppy, and then when it was born, it died,
Oh, that's really sad.
and then the mother died as well.
The mother died?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it did.
Really?
Yeah, the mother died. Wait, no, the mother didn't die.
No, the
Sorry.
mom didn't die. Just the baby puppy died.
Yeah, the baby puppy died. Which is really sad.
Which is really sad, yeah. Because it's a special breed, so now we have to wait.
Yeah, it's Alaskan Malamute. So.
Yeah, so we're really excited to get it.
So, oh.
Our original puppy
Okay.
died. Sad.
All right, we have to show them. We can't always record this.
Okay.
So, where's
This is the beautiful pool area, and we're heading over to the pool area.
Okay.
Hold my hand. Around this way.
Alright, let's go down here.
It's so beautiful. It's like tropical paradise.
I know, it's like the best.
And we're not gonna go all the way down.
Yeah,
But we're just
we'll
gonna film like
go there. There's
some
2
of it.
ping pong tables, which is really nice. Like
they're really fun to play on.
yeah, we.
The pool is really lovely.
So there's one ping pong table right there. There's
I love Bacara. Jana, would you like to tell me where we're at and what we're doing here?
Let's go over here. So this is the Cabana Pool. There's 3 pools: spa pool, Cabana Pool, and there's like the regular pool.
Yep. And these are the cabanas. They're really nice.
There's upstairs cabanas, and then there's like these shaded ones. There's like TVs in there and a bunch of that stuff.
And there's like little pool, little pools. No, there's little fridges.
Yeah, there's like mini fridges, and then we have like upstairs cabanas, which is awesome. This is the Cabana Pool. There's a lot of people there actually. It's like a small roundish pool, and then there's a hot tub over there.
We're very excited to be here, as you can tell.
So there's like a hot tub pool over there. I mean, not a hot tub pool, it's just a hot tub.
Yeah, there's like 2 hot tubs. So there's one right there and then one all the way over there.
There's like one hidden in like the bushes over there.
Yep.
And then there's a resort pool right there, and then you can see the beach.
Yeah, there's a
Sometimes
beach back there.
At like sunset, the dolphins come out, so you can see like the dolphins at shore.
It's really nice. And look at these beautiful flowers lining the pathway, the stairs. And look, there's ping pong tables. And those are the stairs. It's lovely.
Place over there.
Oh yeah, there's a sandbox where like little kids can play and stuff. All right, you want to head over here? Walk?
Yeah, let's go head over here. Let's go that way.
Yeah, we're gonna walk that way now. Explore some more, even though we know everything about this place already.
Yeah, I really want to hold it now.
Do you really?
Yes.
Alrighty.
Okay.
I'll let you.
Alright, it's gonna be a little wiggly right now because I gotta put this on.
We've been recording so much.
I know. We want to give you guys a tour of this place, you know.
We want to remember this forever.
I know. This was one of our greatest vacations. Oh, there's like some nice lime bushes right here. There's a trash can. I'm gonna throw you guys in the trash can. So there's a bunch of trucks and stuff. I think it's a bunch of room service because everybody's checking out. So yeah.
There's so many people.
I see your shadow in the camera. It's very nice. So, let's get down. There's like a little.
I don't think that's safe for
Yeah. I don't think it's safe for you guys. There's a nice tree right there. Oh yeah, we did actually. We stayed like all these villas. Not everyone, but
Everywhere.
yeah. So this is villas 17 and 18.
We can walk over to the bistro after this.
Oh yeah, we should like walk down to the bistro. Maybe Angel Oak as well.
That is a place.
Execute.
The Executive Conference Center.
Oh, there's a
Which is
Monarch
where
Kids Club.
Oh, you're not recording.
Oh.
This is where the people, the executive peoples,
Yeah.
their places, conferences.
And this is where we stayed
I
actually.
think we stayed in that one in the corner, or did we stay in that one?
I think we stayed in the second one.
Yeah, I think so too. And then there was always bun buns. But
Oh, yeah.
I haven't seen a bun bun so far. It's really
Let's go
sad.
see. Shh, be quiet. There's a bun. I love bun. There's so much. We threw carrots at it. I should like throw it at our face.
What percent is the camera?
It's about like 17. We can go.
It'll last us.
Yeah,
Until we get to the room at least.
Oh, we're still up there. Want to go up there?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. It's actually very. Oh.
You can't just record the floor, Jana.
Sorry. So, there's like a path right there. You want to like go there? Oh, I think that's like. Yeah, let's go. So we're like wandering around. We're just like. I don't even think we've like
Jana,
been
if you
here.
don't start recording like actual things, I'm gonna take the
I'm
camera
like.
from the child.
I'm sorry. So we have like, a lot of flowers and stuff. There's like this really nice stone pathway. It's like just like stones.
Don't trip for the
Don't
stones.
trip.
It's sad.
Yeah, it would be very sad. There's kids.
But I think this is where the bistro is. Or maybe not.
I think this is for the kids club or something.
Probably. Something.
Let's go back.
Wait, let's just do it.
I'm recording at Isha right now. It's just like a nice little grass place. You can hear my flip-flops club. Oh yeah, you can see the beach. Oh, this is the.
There's the bistro.
Yeah, this is. This is the bistro right here. This is
So
actually.
originally there was another restaurant back where Angel Oak is called Ocean House.
Yeah, but
They closed that down and they basically made
Angel Oak.
Angel Oak, which is the number one restaurant in Santa Barbara, or at least it was, and it's pretty great.
This is where you walk to the beach. It's like a nice little walk to the beach.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do that today. But
Yeah.
Can I record this part?
Yeah,
Please
sure.
look a little higher.
You can record like now.
Yeah. So this is like probably one of my favorite parts of the hotel.
Yeah.
You can see the beach. Beach access right there.
Chumash territory.
Yeah. See, it's a Chumash Nature Trail.
Yeah. So this was built on
pretty cool. It has some stuff there that we've already read like twice. There's a tennis center,
And there's a
bluff lawn.
Yeah.
And it's cut up.
There's
Beach
a
house.
Oh yeah, the beach house is down there.
There's a tar warning. There's actually a lot of tar here in in California
Mama
in general.
Yeah, Mama
Got it all in her shoes, huh?
So this is like the back.
This is what's it called? Bistro. It's beautiful.
This is the other bar, the pool bar.
I love the bistro. It's one of my favorite places.
They have like so good food. You want to go like around the other way and like show them the entrance kind of?
No, we'll walk around this way. Yeah. And that's the pool bar.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool, I think.
I think we only went there. We've been there once, I think. Like we don't go there.
I think we've been there a couple times. It's pretty nice. Like we went there when our cousins came. We went there like one of those times when we were just together as family.
And here's like
they do have great nachos. We had some amazing nachos today.
Yeah. There's like some nice seating.
And overall, oh look, there's a fireplace, which it's pretty hot, so I don't think we're needing that at the moment.
It's actually really hot right now.
There's another one right there, which is really pretty.
Yeah.
See?
It has like.
So nice.
I want to touch it.
I wouldn't.
So this is.
Yeah, this is the entrance to the bistro.
Yeah.
Typically go through there, but that's like a view of the inside. I don't think you can see it, but yeah.
Very nice. We might get some room tours later if we get hungry.
Maybe.
Dad said we could.
Yeah. And here's like a better view of the pool.
Yeah, it's the.
Not really so much, but you can just see this one
Towel place over
a
there
little
to get
better.
towels.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a towel place.
Go back up and like film like the rest of it kind of. There's like
Nah, we can just like head back, I think.
I think we should, and maybe we can show them a little bit of the upper place.
Yeah. Sorry. Yep, so now we're headed up. There's a Cheeto. That's awkward. And then
I'm just gonna go eat that because I'm starving.
So we had some good ice cream. We're feeling pretty full. But that doesn't mean we're not gonna order some room service later. That'd be really fun.
Yeah.
This is exciting. Are you excited as I am?
So
I'm pretty excited.
To get upstairs cabanas. Not as the woods.
Look at these flowers.
Yeah, they're really pretty flowers. And one time when we were home from the store and we were going to one of like the hotel rooms, we saw like there was like a cricket and we started running.
Really?
Yeah. And
It's getting a little hot.
there's a closer view of the
Ping pong tables. Yeah, it's getting really hot. I'm kind of sweating
I
a
think
lot.
we should head back and when we show them an angel oak.
Yeah. Sure. Let's go. So we have to walk really high up.
Can I record now?
Yeah. You can do the uphill walking recording.
Okay.
I'm just gonna hand it to my girl Jax here. You're recording the wrong way.
I am? Oh, sorry guys. You want to
Recording
make
yourself
face?
a little bit. You're so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, shade.
Don't record the floor.
Okay, sorry.
You want to record? Wait, you're just recording the floor.
Can we like just take a moment real quick in the shade?